Okay, so what's it like doing a dolphin trip on a windy day? We've got southwesterly, force 3, maybe slightly more. Looking at the sea conditions in the distance, you can see that there are little white horses out there, and I'm going to do this vlog throughout the trip because a lot of people think that if it's sunny, it's a good day to do a dolphin trip. That is not the case. The sun has next to no influence on sea conditions. The bigger the waves, the more difficult the search, the more uncomfortable for people, a bit wetter, spray, splash. A lot of people don't want to book a dolphin trip when it's overcast but without a breath of wind, which is a perfect time to do a dolphin trip. So I'm going to do these mini weather blogs to show the difference, because it's very difficult to explain to people what it's going to be like out on the sea. Let's go find some dolphins. Okay, well, the basic theory, what's happening now is we're heading over towards the chimney. This is the sheltered part of the bay, and Graham, of course, is driving, and my job is to look through these. So I'll try and film, and you'll get some idea of what it's like for a dolphin spotter and how hard it is to see a little tiny bit on a sea like this. No dolphins found so far, and you can see Africa down there in the distance, and the problem with this sea condition is quite often the dolphins are here in the bay, but if they're not, if they're all the way out there in the strait, we simply can't get to them. The waves down there will be really big, so we're hoping they're going to be in the bay. Obviously for some people they're only here for a day, so they want to try, and when we come out, if it's windy, and we'll just search the bay. But for people who have a choice of days to book, if you're staying here for 3 or 4 days, you really want to pick the best weather and do the trip as soon as possible, because if you don't see dolphins, you get a free ticket to come again. And I'm not holding out any great high hopes on this trip, because yesterday was spectacular. It was really flat, really easy, and the dolphins were all the way out in the strait. If they're there today, it's going to be a lot more difficult. So we're in the north of the bay now, and Graham slowed the boat down so I can have a really good look around this area with the binoculars. They are here.
Okay, so moving up the bay, the line, we've got the
and you
to the
can
left,
see
right.
how difficult that is to find 3 miles away with binoculars on a boat that's moving and the wind's blowing. I'm going to try and get some footage so you can see how hard they are. Choose a day with no wind. The sun has no influence on the sea condition whatsoever.
So I mean, I'm guessing there's easily 50, maybe more off to the right, look as well. And I've got more ahead of the boat, about 100, 200 metres ahead of the boat, so definitely 50 plus dolphins without a doubt, without fear of exaggeration. So we have 3 different species here, what do they want?
Seriously. Right, doing this vlog. Do you want to be in my video blog? I'm doing weather blogs.
I'll only take the piss out of you.
So,
Do you say
I did honestly say at the beginning of this, I'm not holding out any great hopes of seeing dolphins.
I'll probably just
Who do you think found the dolphins?
you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know, because he went straight up.
With binoculars. I'm going to go and do a bit more filming outside from the passenger's point of view. What it's like finding them. There, you see, there really are dolphins. dolphins. Stop messing about. Oh, that was perfectly timed. Okay, so we're back from the 1:30 trip. Got back at 3 o'clock. That was an hour and a half, which is the average time of a dolphin trip. There's an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how far the dolphins are. You can hear me a bit better now. I haven't got all the wind and the waves in the background. Didn't actually look that rough on the footage that I've played back, but believe me, that was a rough trip. When we're thinking of going on a dolphin trip, there's really two kinds of wind. Is the wind so strong it's too dangerous, in which case we just don't go out? And then the second type is, it's safe enough to go out, but are we going to find dolphins? So really wind is the last thing that we want. It's one of our fearless crew members. So even if it's overcast, even if there's light rain, if there is no wind, that is the perfect condition that you want. The majority of the time here in Gibraltar, sun is shining, no wind. That's great, that's what you want. If you're staying here for a few days, pick the day with the least wind. The sun, as I was saying before, has absolutely no influence on the sea condition. None whatsoever. So if it's a sunny, windy day, that's a bad day. If it's an overcast, no wind day, that's a good day. If it's sunny and no wind, that's a good day. But it's the wind, the wind, the wind. And on the video, what we're trying to demonstrate as well, there were 50 to 100 dolphins easily there, but you kind of had to be on the boat to see that. They were swimming below the surface, very occasionally showing a fin tip. On a rough sea like that, that's where it takes skill to find them. I mean, real skill. And as I was saying, there are certain tricks. We're trained to look for certain things, to do it a certain way, and we have a strategy on the boat, and we work together as a team. So if you want the best chance to see the dolphins, come and join us on the Blue Boat on a non-windy day.